guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to do the mini vlogs today. So, yeah, I'm getting ready to go out today. Got my bag here, so I'm waiting for my ride. Yes, so I'm here at my room right now, chilling and waiting for my ride. So, yeah, that's my last destination. So, my room, and the room is open. So yeah, come back in. So now, um, today's definitely all day day. Today is like a day that you not doing anything but you're bored this house. So yeah, just checking is currently let's go check screen something, you know, special. So it's almost 5 y'all. This days are so you know, it's like the day was just tomorrow's like, girl, these are fast. Today is day is Friday. Tomorrow's Friday, but Thursday here. So just waiting for her to come. So I'm just chilling in this room right now. So yeah. So yeah, it's been time to my new vlog. Please subscribe to my channel, A Generation Beyond. Listen if I want to put another video. See you guys next time. Peace. Bye bye.